Hello peeps, so I'm at Perrywood Nursery here in Essex, and this has been voted one of the best nurseries here in the UK, and it really is a lovely place. My grandmother knew the chap that started this many years ago, and now it's this, and it truly is fantastic. So I've only got a little bit of memory on the older phone here, so what I thought I'd do is to just do a very sort of a relatively quick video on a little bit of the fruit section here. So massive choice of fruit trees here. Look, I mean, these ones are fan trained or espaliered, whatever you want to call it, so to speak, and massive collection of various plants here. Apples here. What variety? No, the Red Devil. And what have we got? Oh, look at all these various. These are Kiwi Vines. I mean, look at these. Look, these are just fantastic. They truly are. 50 quid. It's a good price actually. For they just, you know, you think about how lovely and you know, established that is. It's really lovely. It's growing up into that silver birch there. Look, and here we've got what have we got here? Lovely. Oh, look at these. Look, all these. What are? Just I mean, look at how beautifully these are presented. Look, with their lovely fans there, all lovely, and let's have a look. Pyrus, there you go, conference pear. Majority of you will know what they are. And here we go, more here. I've got standard trees here. And look, I mean, look at that lovely backdrop that it's got. Look, that you're looking out onto. You know, you've not just got a nursery here, but you've got a day out if you want it. Really, a trip. In fact, coaches, I do believe, come here. You know, and they look at the grounds. People come to look at the beautiful plants, which are, you know, incredibly well presented. Look, little vegetable garden there. Look. Isn't that absolutely gorgeous? Oh, lovely place to come for a trip. I mean, one could just spend ages in this small section alone, you know, looking at all the beautiful fruit trees, fruit bushes, fruit plants they've got here. So many and such, you know, beautifully presented trees, lovely. Oh, look at that. I mean, that is cool, isn't it? I mean, look at that. A cherry, look. Lovely, you know, nice already. Look, if you wanted a ready-made tree, yeah, okay, the price tag is there, you know, you can see what that is, and that may be out of reach for some, but just think of that's had work. It's been grafted, it's been loved, it's been cared for, it's all been trained. They're all ready for you. Lovely. Sweetheart. I mean, I used to have a cherry sweetheart tree years ago. Beautiful cherries, they truly are. Got more apples down here. John of Gold, Granny Smith, more pear trees. Oh, absolutely gorgeous. These look lovely for those with smaller gardens. Look, loads of them here, all different varieties. What have we got? Let's have a variety. Falstaff. That is a heritage English apple. In fact, maybe it's not. Maybe it's a new variety. I stand corrected on that subject. Now look at these honeyberries, soft fruit. What have we got here? Deliciosa, Jenny. Oh, that's yeah, it's a kiwi. Just such a huge variety of beautiful things here. Look what we've got here. Lovely. Strawberry plants, rhubarb, blueberries. Got a lovely selection of camellias here, all about to fruit. I'm keeping the camera down so that people don't think there's some maniac around. I mean, there's just such a beautiful selection of things here. I mean, let's go and look at these camellias here. Look at these. Oh, look at these. Lovely, gorgeous, don't they? Coffee shop, if one is interested. Lovely collection of beautiful cacti. You can see how big they are. Let's put my hand next to that one. Look, it goes all the way up there. Ferns. butterfly palm. You know, just such a beautiful collection of lovely flowers here. Viburnums, magnolias. You've got the old chippings and stone and all of that bits and bobs, you know. You get the idea. Look at that delivery service. Bit about the trees in good detail. We all know about that, don't we? Here you go, some information. Pears, quince and medlars. Root stocks for fruit. Detailed information about apples. I mean, it's a shame I don't have more memory on this phone, because if I did, I'd do a longer video. But if you can visit here, visit it. Can't do justice to it in a short video, but I hope you enjoyed it. Please feel free to like, share and subscribe. Beautiful place.